Hey everyone, welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'll be showing you how to view Instagram on your iPhone without needing an account. If you're just looking to browse Instagram without going through the hassle of signing up, there are a few options you can try. Let's go through the steps and cover what you can and can't do without an account. First off, if you're set on not creating an account, don't bother with downloading the Instagram app from the App Store. The app is designed for logged-in users and won't make it easy to just browse profiles casually. Instead, you'll want to use a web browser for this. I'd recommend Safari, but really any browser on your iPhone will do the job. Once you have Safari or your preferred browser open, go to Instagram's website by typing instagram.com into the address bar. From here, you can look up specific profiles by typing their username directly in the search bar. The format is pretty simple. Just add /username at the end of the Instagram link. Now, if the profile you're looking for is public, you'll be able to see their posts and general information. But keep in mind, you won't be able to interact with the content, meaning no liking, commenting, or following. There are some limitations though. Instagram's website is designed to encourage people to use the app. So you might find that it stops you from scrolling or prompts you to download the app. It also won't let you explore other profiles or use the Discover page. You'll need to know the specific username of the account you want to view. If these limitations are a bit too much and you'd rather have a fuller experience, you might consider creating an account. Now, this doesn't have to be tied to your personal information. You can set up an account with minimal details and keep it pretty anonymous, allowing you to use the Instagram app as you normally would without sharing too much. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips on getting the most out of your iPhone. See you later.